What's up, guys? Look what I got. I'm out the house because I didn't do a video and I can't have the music in because YouTube don't like it. Look what I got, guys. Got one of those, another one of these things. Yeah, that's my boy. He don't like to be on camera. Handle this thing here. That. That's it. Give you another grinding disc. No tools. No tools today. You have to pay extra for that. Seriously. Oh, there they are. Right there. He wants me to cut all these things open here. All those things he wants cut open. Alright. Alright, so I got it open. Of course, it looks like this inside there. And you got these three little springs here I'm trying to get off. Trying to yank it out of there. Got the copper wire there. And more copper wire. So we got to take that all apart. And it looks like this stuff here. Looks like that. Looks like that. Alright, that's what we're doing today. Using this grinder here. Got a safety on it right here. That's what it sounds like.